dragon fruit milk plum smoothie or plum milk dragon fruit smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dragon fruit smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the dragon fruit milkshake recipes and one of the most unique of the dragon fruit recipes and one of the most delicious of the plum recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the milkshake recipes and one of the most delicious of the healthy milkshake recipes and one of the most unique of the healthy smoothie recipes. Today we're going to make dragon fruit plum milk smoothie or plum milk dragon fruit smoothie. We have taken around 75 grams of sugar, around 100 grams of royal dragon fruit, and around 2 to 3 plums from which the seeds have been taken off. Put in the dragon fruit pieces. Put in the sugar and the plum. Close and grind well. Pour in around 250 ml of milk into the mixture. Close and blend. Now the royal dragon fruit plum milk smoothie is ready and can be poured into glasses. Be served. Pour the mixture into the glasses. This is the final plum milk dragon fruit smoothie or plum milk dragon fruit milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the dragon fruit smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the dragon fruit milkshake recipes and one of the most delicious of the plum recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the dragon fruit recipes and one of the most unique of the milk smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the smoothie recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.